Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from HAGOOGI. This is their rechargeable air duster, and this is a great little unit that you can use instead of something like canned air to clean your keyboards, your PC parts, any DIY projects that you might have. This would work great for your car, maybe vents on a fan, things like that. It's a very interesting product. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes in the box with this. The model number on this is YWDC05 in case you need to know that. You of course get a user manual. It is written in English here. Shows you all the parts that come with this and also the product parameters. Now I'm going to leave these up here. The main material is ABS. The battery capacity is 3,300 milliamps. The charging time is 2 to 3 hours, and you can get a working time of anywhere from 20 minutes, and that's with it on full blast constantly to up to 270 minutes at its lowest setting. So this is a handy little guide to have here. Hold on to it just in case you need it. Now the first thing that it comes with is this kind of velvet string closed bag here, and this is great for keeping all the charge cables and parts that you get with it, and you can store it in here, or if you're going to transport it, you can put it in there as well. Now they do give you a lanyard, so if you're going to be using this for DIY projects that may take a longer bit of time and you want to use the lanyard, you actually get one in the box as well. Now we do get a charge cable here. This is a standard USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable to charge that 3,300 milliamp battery that's inside the unit itself. And you can hook the USB Type A end into any PC or a laptop's USB port, or an adapter that you may already have from your phone or your tablet to recharge it. They do give you some extra brushes here to help out with your cleaning process. If you've got some stubborn stuff, you can loosen it up with the brushes. Although this air duster is super powerful on its max power, you may not need these brushes at all. But it's nice that they do include these in the packaging. Now we do have a few attachments here for this, and you can screw them right into the end of the air duster. We've got a longer attachment here that's going to give you more focused air coming out of the nozzle here at the end. And this would be great for, like I said, a keyboard, or cleaning, maybe dusting out the cup holders in your car, or maybe the vents in your car, that type of thing. You can see it's threaded. It'll go into the end here. And we also have a shorter one as well with a silicone shorter tip that works out really well. If you need to get in closer, you can with this as well. Again, they both just screw in straight to the unit. As you can see, you've got threads here at the front of the unit, and this will just screw right in, and you can attach these and unattach and switch them out very quickly and easily. So overall, just a really nice setup here from HAGOOGI. And this really is a nice unit. This unit is it's got a nice premium feel, very nice to hold in your hand as far as ergonomics go. You do have two buttons here, and I'll explain those in just a few moments. Your fan on the back, and of course your exhaust on the front. You're going to get a charge port on the bottom with an LED above it, and a lanyard port there for your lanyard if you do want to use it. Now it does, again, fit your hand very well and easy to access these buttons, and we'll go over the buttons and how loud this is in just a moment. Okay, so as far as the operation goes, you do have two buttons here. The silver button is going to be full blast, full power, and it's going to have a red LED on it when you activate it. And the bottom button, you can hold it down for 3 seconds, and then once you do that, it will go into a low power mode, and then you get a medium power mode and a high power mode. But the silver button is going to be this ultra power mode. So let's listen and see how loud this gets. Okay, so those were the 3 different modes that you get: the low power, medium power, and high power. Now this silver button is an ultra high power mode, and you can run it continuously for 20 minutes on 1 battery charge. It's the highest mode that you can do, and we'll take a listen to how loud that is as well. So there you go. You can hear that high-powered mode that you get with the silver button is going to move some serious air and be able to dust out pretty much anything that you can think of. So again, you've got that little LED at the bottom that kind of indicates what's going on when you're in certain modes. When it's got that green button there, you're in that 3-set mode, and when you press the silver button, it's going to turn red to let you know that you're in the highest manual mode. So you've got a lot of flexibility here with the modes that you can use. So there you go. That's my review of the HAGOOGI Rechargeable Air Duster, and this is a must-have in my opinion for anybody that has a lot of electronics. Your PC parts can be cleaned with this. Your PC peripherals like your mouse and your keyboard can be dusted out. A gaming console like a PS5 or an Xbox can be dusted out as well. There's just a ton of different uses, and that's not to mention any DIY projects that you may be doing as well. Overall, I think this is a solid value for what you get. It's comfortable to use. It's small and compact. It's rechargeable. It only weighs about 212 grams to give you an idea. And it's very powerful on its highest setting. So taking care of any jobs that you may need for dusting, this unit will be able to handle. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.